Good morning, viewers. Welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be solving a popular Olympiad math question. Given that 9 raised to power x plus 6 raised to x to power x minus 4 raised to power x equal to 0. Solving this, we have 9 raised to power x plus 6 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x is equal to 0. Now, I will be dividing through by 4 raised to power x. So that I have 9 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power x plus 6 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power x equal to 0 divided by 4 raised to power x. Good. Having done this, I can now rewrite 9 raised to power x over 4 raised to power x as 9 over 4 all raised to power x plus 6 over 4 all raised to power x minus 1. 4 raised to power x, we cancel 4 raised to power x equal to 0. 0 divided by any number is always 0. So, now, we will now rewrite this as 3 raised to power 2 all over 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power x plus 2 times 3 all over 4 all raised to power x minus 1 equals 0. Now, we can also apply what we applied here so that we have that 3 over 2 all raised to power 2 also to power x plus, now 2 can cancel so that we have 3 over 2 all raised to power x minus 1 equals 0. Now, continuing, we can now say, okay, let's rewrite this as 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power x then raised to power 2. This is so that we can be able to let our 3 over 2 all raised to power x to be equal to something. Plus 3 over 2 all raised to power x minus 1 equals 0. This looks like what we have been doing. So we can now continue to say, let 3 over 2 all raised to power x to be equal to y. Now, substituting in this equation 3 over 2 all raised to power x to be y, we will have that y squared, all this plus this is y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. If we decide to use the formula method, we'll have that y is going to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where our a is equal to 1 coefficient of y squared, our b is equal to 1 coefficient of y, and our c is equal to minus 1. Good. Now, continuing, we will now substitute our b, a, and c to get our y. This is going to be minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared minus 4. A is what? 1 minus 1 all over 2, 1. Good. That will give us y is going to be minus 1. This is going to give us 1. And this plus this, let's simplify it here. This is going to be minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 5, because minus times minus will give us plus 4, sorry, plus 4. Minus times minus will give us plus, so that we have 4 times 1 times 1 will give us 4 all over 2. That will give us minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. Good. So that we can now say plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. But remember that our value for y, remember that y is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x, which is a positive number, is positive, which is positive. So we are going to be going for the value of y for which will give us a positive value. So now let's look at it again. Minus 1 plus root 5. Root 5 should be around 2 point something. So we are going to minus 1 plus 2 points. That should be giving us a positive value. But minus 1 minus 2 points will give us minus 3 points. So we'll go on to use that. We go on to say that y is going to be minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now we need to check for this. We need to check for this to make sure that our value is going to give us a positive value. If it is not going to give us a positive value, then we go on to do minus whatever we have there using the minus 1. We are going for this because we are convinced that this will give us a positive value. Now, let's continue. So, we can now say that since y is also equal to 3 over 2 raised to power x, we'll have that we have that 3 over 2 all raised to power x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Now, taking logarithm of both sides, we have log 3 over 2 all raised to power x to be equal to log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Let me rewrite it here. Log 3 over 2 all raised to power x minus log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Okay. Our law of logarithm, we have in our law of logarithm that if log a, the power log, if we have log a raised to power n, is going to be the same as n log a. So we are going to write this as x log 3 over 2. This is equal to 0. Don't forget. Oh no, this is equal to log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Now, so that we can get that x alone is going to be log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2 all over log 3 over 2. And that is the answer. You can now use your calculator to get to the last value. But if you're asked to leave your answer in short form, you can further, that is what you will have. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.